Mother's Day 2020 will be like none other. So, my friends and I over at A Subtle Revelry have teamed up together to bring you some sweet ideas just in time for Mother's Day. So, I wanted to share with you guys a few things that you could do in order to make this Mother's Day memorable. And you guys know that a photo is worth 1,000 and sometimes 1,000,000 words. So, gathering up the family and dressing everyone in coordinating colors. We chose white because my mother in love always wanted to do photos in all white with the family. So just gathering the family together in like a local park or something like that, and having a photographer to come by and take photos from a very safe distance would be a wonderful day to celebrate not only the family memories but Mother's Day as well. While you're doing these photos, you can also group off into family units like husband, wife, children, son, daughter, grandchildren, grandmother, all grandchildren, grandfather, all grandchildren, all fathers and sons, all mother and daughters, and just, have photos that everyone can share, not only with the mom, but with the families as well. And you guys know that memories are one of the most precious gifts that we can ever have. When the memories, when everything else is over, the memories will always, always remain. And so cherish the memories. And if you haven't learned anything else during this time, that is that, cherish the memories, cherish family, and cherish making memories. So photo shoots are an excellent choice, not only for Mother's Day, but for any time. A second idea would be to make over one of her favorite spaces in the home. I know I've been really enjoying my bathroom during the quarantine, so just taking the time to make over maybe her bathroom to make it feel like a spa, and then organize it with beautiful monogram towels and some type of accent chest. I think that would be an excellent, excellent gift idea for Mother's Day, since I really look forward to the time that I could just take a bath and light some candles and, have that whole ambiance going on and giving it that really, really beautiful, soft, serene spa feeling. Another idea would be to make over a room in her home, maybe her bedroom, get a new comforter set, do something to get her away from the house for a little while and make over like the bedroom or the guest bedroom. I think that would be a really nice surprise and something that you can do in a limited amount of time, especially now that, ordering something online or ordering something on Amazon is next to impossible to get at this point in time, because it is not considered essential items. But, stores like Target and Walmart are both open and they have super nice things. And, stores all across the country are trickling open to, opening up their stores. But just be safe, you guys. Be safe first and foremost. But if this is something you can do safely and securely, I think it will be an excellent surprise, an element of surprise for your mom on this Mother's Day. Another idea is to create, or order a beautiful floral centerpiece and create a nice tablescape for her to enjoy, dinner with, maybe you or her husband, your dad, whomever. I think that would be a really, really nice idea. And then she can keep that floral centerpiece as well. Or if you want to do it as a family, create a beautiful tablescape using a beautiful centerpiece and have dinner together as a family. I know my mother-in-law has really, really enjoyed cooking dinner for the family and just enjoying family times and family board games like Monopoly and Uno and, all these wonderful things. And you don't have to really have a really extensive meal. You could do a nice salad or anything that she loves. Artwork is always an awesome idea, and I love this. Be still and I know that I am God, because that is so important for us to remember during times such as this. A nice walk through the park with the family is also a beautiful option for Mother's Day. And if everything else fails, you guys, be the winner by stocking up on toilet paper and paper towels and all those things that have been so hard to find during this quarantine. I would love to know what you guys are getting your mom for Mother's Day. How are you guys going to be celebrating Mother's Day in and around your home? And don't forget to go and hop over and join my friends at asubtlerevelry.com to check out all of their ideas on how you can celebrate Mother's Day safely and securely this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!